Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our C++ program walkthrough. Now we're going to be going over program 5, which is just counting up and down with particular integers. So this program is going to demonstrate two different types of loop. It's going to be our for and our while loop. Go ahead and start with the usual includes and namespace declaration, which is up here at the top, as you can see. The same as we used in the previous programs. And then inside the main initial main function brackets, we're going to go ahead and print our heading, which is going to be, control output counting up. That's going to be our heading. After that, we're going to go ahead and use the for loop to count from 1 through 10. Pretty much, we're just going to do int I equals 1, which it initializes the counter. That's what int stands for, just initializing. And then the second I just stands for increment of 10 or increments equal to 1. So the I is greater than or equal to 10 is the condition that keeps the loop running, pretty much. And then you got the I plus plus, which is increments the counter, will do by 1 each time. So inside the loop, we'll print off the value I followed by a space. So you see that here at the bottom. After that loop finishes, we'll print another heading, called counting down. And we'll use the while loop to count from 10 down to 1. We'll start with the initial j equals 10, and then the loops will run from j is greater than or equal to 1. And then inside that loop, we'll print j, which is here at the bottom, and then the decrement it with j dash dash. Finally, we'll go ahead and print our new line, which is right here, and then we'll end line here with a return 0. And then once you run the program, which I already have ran the program, you will see at the bottom, or sorry, top right corner, you'll see counting up right here, going from 1 through 10, and then you have counting down going from 10 through 1. And that is pretty much how you run this program. So hopefully I explained that to where it makes sense. So yeah.